investors, this is Dale again. I'm your real estate agent from FRE. And today we are here at Barangay Old Santa Mesa. And nandito na rin tayo sa exact location ng aming property, which is Covent Garden. Covent Garden has two entrance and exit. Yung kanina po doon sa may Barangay Old Santa Mesa. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa pinaka main entrance, which is located po sa Santol Extension along Magsaysay Boulevard. This property po is 5 minutes walk lang going to LRT2 Mapa Station and SM Santa Mesa, Manila. And of course, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Covent Garden po has two towers, South and North Residences. Bali, South Residences po is ready for occupancy na, and North Residences po is turnover by next year, 2025 of first quarter. And kung naghahanap ka naman ng property na pang personal use or business rentals, hindi na po kayo mahihirapan dahil nandito na rin yung mga target market natin, which is mga estudyante, and malapit lang ito sa U-Belt area.